Hello and welcome to Jim's EV Adventures. Today, as you can see, I'm in the garage. I got a table, I got my iPad for instructions, and I got a knife. Today I'm going to be installing something on the Bolt EUV that I've always wanted, but never had the opportunity to procure or install. So let's get right to it. The box is over here. I'm going to bring it up here and we're going to open it up and see what we've got going today. Hopefully I won't need too many tools for this because it looks like it's got them in the box. And so magically, just like that, I'm back with a towel to put these on. And I've already got two of the screws out. I'm now going to turn my other camera on right here so you can get a good look at what's going on right where I'm working. Okay. So now I've got this camera on here so you can see what I'm doing over here. I'm going to be taking the screws out for each end. So now, this is the front of the vehicle. This is the left. You can see the shape is going to fit just like this. So the washer and the screw goes in loosely because this becomes adjustable to fit the width. A lot of people make mistakes here. They go ahead and tighten these down, and they're not ready to tighten down until you get them on the car. And I'll explain that in just a minute. So now this can move in and out to adjust, make fine adjustments. Same thing on this end. Okay, the other step is the sponge pads, which are these, are already attached. You don't have to attach them, even though there's a step for it here. And then step 3, we'll be switching to the screws, etc., that are made to go through here and attach to the car. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten one of them out. A lot easier said than done. What our fine friends at General Motors don't tell you is these are actually screwed in. As you can see, I'm unscrewing this one. Of course, I ruined the first one, but that's beside the point. It's okay. I don't plan on going back anytime soon anyway. The problem is they're very tight. So to unscrew them, you're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. Thank you, General Motors, for your fine engineering work one more time. So I've got this side out. I'm going to go do the other side, and then I'll come right back here momentarily, and we'll make the first installation. Stand by. Okay, guys, I've got everything lined up now. I'm going to put this side in first. This is the driver's side. I'm just going to finger tighten this side, then go to the other side. I'll tighten down that side first, this side second, and then I'll tighten these screws down to make sure everything is latched appropriately. I am going to pull this as far forward as it'll go and as far backwards as it will go. So there is that. I'm going to go to the other side now. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to pull this as far forward as I can get it. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten this side down. That's where I'm going to leave you. I'm going to get all four, front, rear, both sides done, and then we'll come back and look at the final product. I'm back on the left side, and I got to get this side tightened down. These are the last two screws. This one's in. And as you heard, that one just broke. And that one broke. So these tools are just about worthless, but it is installed. Now let's take a look at the final product as soon as I can wipe off all this nasty sweat. Okay guys, we're wrapping this up. It is hotter than you can imagine, but that's beside the point. As you can see, front and rear are installed. The instructions were okay. There's always a little bit of leftover hardware. I can tell you that the Allen wrenches that came with it, pretty much worthless. I broke both of them. Used my other camera to get as good a shots as I can close up. And now I'm gonna take this camera and I'm gonna give you some close-up views of how it looks as installed. These things look like they were factory installed. They're made of high quality material. They are aluminum, but they are high quality aluminum. They were fairly easy to install, and had it not been so hot, I would have gotten done a lot quicker, but I had to take frequent breaks. The ones I installed are made for the Bolt EUV 2022 and 23 models. There are other models available. I will have a link to this particular model in the description below. But you can visit Amazon and find ones made by this same company for your vehicle. They have at least 20 different vehicles listed. That's going to wrap this up. I hope to see you out there or somewhere along the route from point A to point B. Take it easy, everybody. I'll see you all very soon.